Tropical storm Beryl is not done yet after slamming the Caribbean and Mexico last week. Now the storm set to make landfall in Texas. Officials there are telling coastal residents to expect power outages and some flooding. So Jacob is here with the latest on the storm and how people are prepping for impact, which is what, tomorrow morning is what they're thinking now?
Yeah, that's right, Shannon. It was several hours now away after moving across the Gulf of Mexico. So tropical storm Beryl is now just, again, hours away there from the Texas coast. And it's expected to regain hurricane strength tonight and make landfall early tomorrow morning. Some of the strongest impacts from the storm could be felt in places like Galveston, Texas.
You never know. Mother Nature's funny, man. It could seem like a real light storm, all of a sudden bloom.
Southern Texas residents are prepping for 4 to 7 feet of storm surge, heavy rain, and high winds as Beryl approaches the state's coast.
I have food, gas, I have ice, a whole bunch of ice. I got food for 3 days. I have hurricane shutters, so they're about to, as soon as I get home, I'm going to close them.
Sandbags are piled up and storm shutters are in place. The National Hurricane Center is forecasting Beryl to strengthen back into a hurricane before making landfall.
I'm a little worried. Just worried about some of my things blowing away. I did put them away, but I don't want anything damaged.
FEMA has already sent emergency responders, search and rescue teams, bottled water, meals, tarps, and generators to the coast in case they're needed. State officials called Beryl's path narrow, but warned that doesn't mean it still can't be deadly.
It's a serious storm, and you must take it seriously and be prepared.
Last week, Beryl hit Mexico as a Category 2 hurricane, causing intense damage. And before that, the storm left a path of destruction through Jamaica, Barbados, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, killing more than 10 people. After Texas, the remnants of Beryl will track through Arkansas late Monday and into eastern Missouri on Tuesday. And we're watching that storm closely again because it's probably going to be impacting our local forecast within 48 hours or so. There it is right now, still a tropical storm. Winds, though, have gone up 70 miles per hour. Remember that a hurricane starts at 74 miles per hour, so it's just shy of hurricane strength and still expected to attain a Category 1 strength with wind speeds over 74 miles per hour before it makes landfall here. Right now, it's about 100 miles to the south-southeast of Matagorda County, Texas. That's where it's expected to make landfall, probably overnight and before the sun rises tomorrow morning. Again, Port Lavaca is the expected landfall spot overnight, say 2 a.m. or so. The highest threats, coastal surge and then inland flooding for the Lone Star State. And then the remnants of Beryl are going to move north, and the Missouri side is going to get rain from Beryl on Tuesday. So here's the forecast track. Again, landfall overnight just after 1 a.m. between Port Lavaca and Freeport there. That's just southeast of the greater Houston metro. And then to Monday morning, it's going to move inland. And by Monday afternoon, the center of Beryl will likely be a weakening tropical storm as it moves up to the I-20 corridor, kind of between Dallas and Shreveport. And then by Tuesday morning, it's going to be a tropical depression or even just a remnant low. Notice all the rain ahead of this. And so Arkansas is going to see the rain overnight Monday. We see the rain in parts of Missouri on Tuesday afternoon as the track moves up through St. Louis and eventually into Illinois. Still questions remain how much rain, how far west it comes. I don't think the metro sees any, but central Missouri certainly could see some. And then the remnants move up towards, say, the Great Lakes area. So out towards St. Louis, they could see several inches of rainfall, probably nothing measurable here in the metro area, but say in our far eastern communities, Warsaw up towards Columbia, down towards the lakes, they could get 1, maybe up to 2 or 3 inches of rainfall.